Hi, I'm Angelina and I'm here to show you a quick workout you can do in a very small space. All you need is some laundry detergent or a gallon of milk, a couple cans of beans or soup, and a towel. Here's our workout. We're going to repeat each move 5 to 8 times and aim for 3 to 5 rounds of each of the 6 exercises that I'm going to walk you through. This is a full body workout, so we're going to start by warming up with some jumping jacks. Again, you just want to do as many as you need to. Maybe aim for about a minute until you feel like your heart rate's up and your body's warm. All right, and then we're going to go into our first move, which is just a simple calf raise. So we're just going to raise up onto our toes and back down. Up onto your toes and back down. If you have something you can hang on to and you want to do single calf raises, you can start with 5 to 8 on one side and then move to the other. Next up, we have squat variation. So here's where you're going to need that heavy container of something. To start, we're going to do just a regular squat. You're going to put all the weight into your heels and sit back like you're sitting on a chair. You can also do a front lunge, back lunge, or a side lunge. If you're into dance moves, we've also got the Plie Squat. Okay, I'm getting warm. Next up, you might want that towel. You're gonna get in some glutes. So, first variation is a glute kickback. You're going to come up and pause, squeeze your glute at the top, and back down. I'm going to stick to one side for 5 to 8, and then switch to the other. Another option is a glute bridge. So you're on your back for double glute bridge. Keep both legs down, pause again at the top and squeeze, and come back down. You can also do the single leg. So again, stay on the same side for 5 to 8 reps. Pausing at the top and back down. Next up, my favorite move, abs. This one is called head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And what you really want to pay attention to in this one is that your body isn't swaying. So you want to stay as still as you can. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Whew, that was hard. Okay, next up, chest. So we're going to start with a press. So you need your heavy container again. For this one, you can have both feet and bottom on the floor, pressing your lower back into the ground, or you can come up into that bridge as well. You're just going to press up and come back down. You can go up slow, 1, 2, 3, and back down. 1, 2, 3, and back down. Another option for the press is your standard push-up. This can be done from the knees or up on the toes. Okay, next we have shoulders. So this is where we need our cans. We're going to do a front raise and a side raise. And you want to count 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and we're done already. That was fast. But again, you want to aim for 3 to 5 rounds of each of those 6 moves that I showed you. When you're finished, you can roll up that towel and just get some mobility going through your body. So the wider you keep your arms on this one, the easier. You can also kind of go around to the side and back. And we are done. Thanks for joining me.